Today I'm going to show you some easy DIY tutorial which basically you can reuse your waste and make something useful or functional item. So I'm using the milk carton. So let's see what material we need for this DIY. So basically empty milk carton, make sure it's washed and cleaned. Then scissor, cutter, then some kind of string, then we need to have some colors, brushes, and if you need some kind of stickers, because we are going to make a bird feeder out of the empty milk carton. That's how we are going to repurpose this paper waste into something more useful and recycle it. So let's start. First, I would just prefer to this part which was stuck here, pull it up and also pull this up, and so if you want to live more sustainable, more earth-friendly, or even minimal waste, you can find a lot of guidebooks, tips, my tried and tasted tips, because me and my family, we live sustainable and zero waste, and for more than 12-13 years. So I have a lot of UAE specific tips which you could use, and you'll find a lot of guidebooks on sustainability tribe as well. So what I'm doing, basically I'm going to make a hole at the top so that we can basically use that hole to hang our bird feeder. So see, now the hole is almost ready, and for hanging, let's see, it depends how high you want to hang it in your terrace or balcony or in your garden. So looks like this should be enough for my place to hang it. Now if you could see, basically I made a line here. I want to keep some bottom part as it is. Then I have drawn a window like shape here, or door like shape, where basically the birds could go inside and pick their seeds or bird food from there. So I'm just going to basically cut it. So I have actually washed and cleaned it, so I'm just going to dry it, make it dry from inside so that no water is there. You can see quite good now. Now actually I want to have the stick over here so that the birds can stand on the stick. It's a natural twig. I basically found it during one of my walk. So I just want to insert that twig here at the bottom part here. So I'm just going to make a hole. So kids will be particularly very excited to take part in this kind of activity. Of course, it's even good for any grown-up. It's not just for kids. Especially if you are interested in having your own garden, or if you have a garden and if you want to basically attract birds, or generally I always feel that when you are having a garden in a place like UAE, you have a great opportunity to create some natural habitat for wildlife. Now wildlife in UAE is, you don't see it much, so people feel that there is nothing much here. But honestly, there is quite a varied biodiversity in UAE, and birds or insects or bugs which are native in UAE, or some of the habitat, some of the biodiversity which is newly kind of establishing in UAE. So if you make your garden wildlife friendly, bugs friendly, birds friendly, you have a chance of creating a habitat for them. During the especially hot summers, it's a very good idea to have a bird feeder in your balcony, or create a bird bath so that they have access to food and water. So you basically help the wildlife in UAE to thrive and survive in the hotter months. So I think we are almost done with our stick. As you can see, almost ready. So extremely easy kind of activity. You can take any milk carton or juice carton and have it your own bird feeder for your garden, or even for your balcony or terrace, or even if you don't have garden. So now I have created window only on one side, because I want to hang it in such a way that only from one side birds could come in. I will prefer to have, I'm going to hang it near the wall, so I'm basically extending this particular stick little ahead, so that the stick will help me creating some distance between the wall and the bird feeder. Otherwise some other paste might get attracted towards my bird feeder, and I want to avoid that. Now what you're using a bit of water, I'm creating my own color out of natural pigments I have. So I prefer to have non-toxic color at home for my son. So we generally either create colors out of fruit and vegetable scraps for coloring, or if I could find this kind of a color which is made from natural material, and if I could source it, I always use it this way. Let's see if this works. It looks good. Now my bird feeder, the color is almost dry. It's a bit cloudy, so if you prefer, give one more coat to it, but I have another solution. So I have some leftover stickers from, I think, my son's birthday party or so, I don't remember, but I'm going to basically use these stickers. Now all we need to do is add the bird food and hang it in the garden. So I'm using oatmeals. If you have, just be sure that you are adding the safe bird food, which birds could eat basically. We don't want to add a bird food which is not safe for birds. Let me go back to the background of why we should recycle or reuse our waste. So we need to remember that whatever waste we basically get it and we throw it in our garbage bin, it ends up in the landfill. Now what happens on the landfill, not necessarily all of our waste on the landfill is getting recycled. So either the waste sits there, decomposes, creating more pollution, more methane gas, and some other greenhouse gases like methane gas. Now these greenhouse gases basically directly contribute to global warming and contribute to the climate change. So it's very essential to understand when you hear that don't use plastic bags while shopping or try to shop waste free. So why is that? Basically, this is the reason. So here are some brief tips from me. So first, whenever you are trying to buy anything, try to buy it package free. If possible, buy basically without any packaging material. For example, now milk, it's difficult to buy safe and fresh milk package free. So in this case, for example, I have this milk carton. So what do I do generally? If I'm buying milk, let's say in the milk carton or in the plastic bottle, I always make sure that I'm recycling it, all the waste. You just need to give a quick rinse and segregate your recyclable, like the plastic cover should go into plastic bin and paper carton should go into paper bin. But now the carton has some plastic cling film inside, so it's kind of difficult to recycle. So the second best option is try to reuse your packaging material as much as possible, and you can always find some functional uses of all the waste. So I want to show you another example of this is a juice carton I have, and I basically converted it into a planter. Now it's kind of strong enough. I just needed to make some hole for my water to drain so that my plant can be healthy. These are some paper plants. So this is basically the reason why we need to recycle